Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Have you ever wondered why you have your grandmother's eyes? Or why your laughter sounds uncannily like your father's? Or perhaps you've pondered why, despite growing up in the same household, siblings can be as different as chalk and cheese. Welcome to the fascinating world of heredity and environment. We begin by unwrapping the concept of heredity, a biological process that transfers certain traits from parents to offspring. These traits, or genes, are the blueprints of our physical and to some extent our behavioral attributes. They dictate everything from the color of our eyes and hair to our predisposition towards certain illnesses. It's like nature's version of a lottery, where the winning ticket could mean inheriting your mother's melodious singing voice or your father's knack for cooking. On the other hand, we have environment. It refers to the sum of all external conditions and influences affecting the life and development of an organism. It is not strictly limited to geographical location or climate, but extends to cultural, social, and familial influences. For example, growing up in a bilingual household, being exposed to music from a young age, or living in a bustling city. These experiences shape our behaviors, attitudes, and even alter how our genes function, a phenomenon known as epigenetics. The interplay between heredity and environment is a captivating dance of nature and nurture. It's not a competition, but a collaboration, each influencing the other in ways still being unraveled by scientists. The traits you inherit don't dictate your destiny, and the environment doesn't simply mold you. Instead, they interact in a dynamic and complex way to make you uniquely you. In this fascinating exploration, we've unraveled the concepts of heredity and environment. We've seen how heredity is nature's lottery, transferring traits from parents to offspring. We've discovered that environment is more than just our physical surroundings, extending to societal and familial influences. We've learned that the interplay between heredity and environment is not a battle of forces, but a harmonious dance, each shaping the other in a dynamic and complex way. So the next time you catch your reflection and see your grandmother's eyes staring back at you, or when your laugh echoes your father's, remember you are not just a product of your genes, but also of your experiences. You are a unique blend of heredity and environment, a testament to the enthralling dance of nature and nurture. And that indeed is the beauty of being human.
What shapes us more? In the role of heredity and environment on behavior, it could be of our genes or our environment. This question has intrigued scientists, philosophers, and thinkers alike for centuries. Today we delve into this intriguing subject to unravel the complex dance between genes and environment in shaping behavior. In the vast realm of behavioral science, a concept called nature versus nurture often surfaces. This dichotomy explores the influence of inherited traits, nature, and environmental factors, nurture, on human behavior. However, the reality is far more nuanced than a simple one or the other approach. Genes, the biological units of heredity, play an undeniable role in shaping our behavior. These intricate segments of DNA, passed down from our parents, carry the blueprint for our physical and, to some extent, behavioral characteristics. They determine our predispositions, our potentials, our vulnerabilities. Consider an individual's propensity for musical talent. If a person is born with a genetic predisposition for music, they have the potential to excel in this field. But does this mean they will automatically become a virtuoso? Not necessarily. This is where the environment steps in, wielding a significant influence on the expression of these genetic predispositions. The environment can range from the physical surroundings to the emotional climate around us, including our upbringing, education, experiences, and social interactions. In the context of our musical prodigy, if they grow up in an environment that nurtures their talent, provides opportunities to learn and practice, and encourages their passion for music, the genetic predisposition can fully express itself. However, in an environment devoid of such support, the potential may remain dormant. This interplay between genes and environment is a process known as gene-environment interaction. It suggests that our behaviors are neither solely genetically determined nor exclusively the product of our environment. Instead, our behaviors are the result of a dynamic interplay between these two forces, each constantly influencing and being influenced by the other. In essence, our genes set the stage, but it's the environment that directs the play. To sum up, the debate of nature versus nurture is not about choosing sides. It's about understanding the intricate dance between our genes and our environment. Our genes provide the blueprint, setting up our predispositions and potentials. Simultaneously, our environment shapes how these blueprints manifest, either nurturing or suppressing their expression. So, the next time you find yourself pondering what shapes us more, genes or environment, remember it's not an either-or scenario. It's a complex, dynamic and continuous interaction between the two. And in this dance of life, both partners, genes and environment, lead and follow in equal measure. Enlightening journey into the world of genes and environment. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep marveling at the wonders of life.
And next is the role of chromosomes in heredity and environment on behavior. Have you ever pondered the intricate dance between heredity and environment in shaping behavior? Is it the unseen genetic code written in our chromosomes that dictate our actions? Or do the surroundings in which we grow and live have a stronger influence? Today, we delve into this fascinating topic and explore the role of chromosomes in heredity and how it affects behavior. Our journey begins with the very building blocks of life, cells. Within each cell of our body resides a nucleus, the command center, housing our chromosomes. These are not just any ordinary strands of DNA, but are the architects of our biological blueprint. They carry the genetic instructions for growth, functioning, and reproduction of all known organisms and many viruses. Think of chromosomes like a vast library. Each library or cell contains 23 pairs of books, or chromosomes, that hold the stories of your traits, characteristics, and yes, even potential behaviors. Each book is filled with chapters, the genes, which contain the detailed instructions for making proteins, the building blocks of our bodies. Now, how does this genetic library influence our behavior? To answer this, we need to understand the concept of heredity. Heredity is the process by which parents pass certain genetic information onto their children, which occurs through the chromosomes. There are certain behaviors that are largely influenced by our genetic code. For example, studies have shown that our tendency towards extroversion or introversion, our susceptibility to certain mental health conditions, even our aptitude for learning, can all be traced back to our chromosomes. However, it's crucial to understand that genes are not puppet masters pulling the strings of our behavior. Genes can predispose us to certain traits, but they do not determine our destiny. This is where the environment steps in. The environment, encompassing everything from the food we eat, the air we breathe, to our social interactions and experiences, can influence how these genes are expressed. This interaction between our genes and our environment is known as gene-environment interaction. So to summarize, chromosomes located in our cells carry the genetic information that contributes to our unique traits and behaviors. This process of passing genetic characteristics from parents to offspring is known as heredity. While our chromosomes and genes do play a significant role in influencing our behaviors, they are not the sole determinants. Our environment also has a profound influence on shaping our behaviors through its interaction with our genes. Therefore, the dance between our chromosomes, heredity, and environment is a complex one, with each player influencing and being influenced by the others. It's a beautiful symphony that results in the unique masterpiece that is each individual. Remember, our chromosomes may lay down the foundation, but it's the environment that builds upon it, creating the intricate edifice of our behaviors and personalities. It's not a matter of either or, but rather a harmonious interplay of both and. In the end, it's the combination of our genetic makeup and our environment that make us who we are and influence how we behave. So the next time you ponder why you are the way you are, remember the intricate dance between your chromosomes, your heredity, and your environment.
And now, we will discuss about chromosomal abnormalities and genetic counseling. Have you ever wondered why some people are born with conditions that make them different from the rest? The key lies in their genetic makeup, in something referred to as chromosomal abnormalities. Chromosomes, the structures that carry our genes, determine everything from our hair color to our height. But what happens when there's a glitch in this genetic code? That, dear listeners, is where chromosomal abnormalities come into play. Chromosomal abnormalities occur when there's a change in the number or structure of our chromosomes. This can lead to a variety of conditions, ranging from Down syndrome, which is caused by an extra chromosome 21, to Turner syndrome resulting from a missing X chromosome in females. These abnormalities can occur spontaneously during the formation of reproductive cells or can be inherited from parents. Despite the randomness of their occurrence, their effects are far-reaching, influencing the affected individual's physical and mental development. However, knowledge is power, and this is where genetic counseling steps in. Genetic counseling is a process designed to assist individuals or families understand and adapt to the medical, psychological, and familial implications of genetic contributions to disease. Genetic counselors are skilled professionals who provide information, support, and advice about genetic conditions. They guide you through your genetic health, helping you understand your risks and options. They can help you make informed decisions about testing, treatment, and family planning. Imagine having a roadmap to your genetic health. That's what genetic counseling offers. It empowers individuals and families to make informed decisions about their health and their future. So, to sum it all up, chromosomal abnormalities are changes in the number or structure of our chromosomes, leading to a variety of conditions. They can occur spontaneously or can be inherited. Genetic counseling, on the other hand, is a process of understanding and adapting to the implications of these genetic contributions to disease. It provides support, information, and guidance, helping individuals and families make informed decisions about their health and their future. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding your genetics can help you navigate your health journey. After all, we are not just a product of our genes, but also of how we understand and respond to them. And if you feel this video is helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Thank you for watching.